In this video, I'm going to show you how to export data from Tradingview. All you have to do is to make sure that Tradingview, your plan is premium. The basic plan won't let you export data, so you have to upgrade to premium plan to access this feature. As you can see, when you click on upgrade now, you can go ahead choose the premium plan that's on the right, and you can go ahead try it for 30 days. This is the plan that allows you to export data from TradingView. So now after you do that, just go ahead to the top right, click on this arrow, and after you click on it, just go ahead at the bottom, click on import list. When you click on it, as you can see, you have to upgrade your plan. As you can see, basic plan does not allow this feature, but premium plan allows it perfectly. So this is how to export data from TradingView. As you can see, just click on this arrow and click on export. As you can see on their official website, this is the process that I showed you before. You can go ahead, click on the arrow, then click on export chart data. You can obviously export it to CSV file, and that's it. This is how to export data from TradingView.